Hi, this is a quick under 3-minute tutorial on how to turn on live translation in Captions in Google Meet. This is a great feature to share with your English language learners or your world language students. Step 1, have the student click on Turn on Captions in Google Meet. Now you can see everything that the teacher is saying will appear on the student's screen in English. In order to translate, have the student right-click on Turn Off Captions and choose Translate from the pop-up menu. Now you can see mine says Translate to Spanish. It might say Translate to English. It might say Translate to another language. It doesn't matter at this point what it says because they will immediately have the option to choose a language. So have them choose Translate, and then there will be a pop-up at the top of their screen. You can see mine is automatically now translating my captioning into Spanish. It's not perfect, but it does a pretty good job. To change the language, click the three-dot menu, and a drop-down will appear of all the languages that are available. 3 dots, choose another language, and then they can choose their language from the drop-down menu. I will change mine to French and click Translate, and you'll see that everything that was on the screen and everything I say moving forward is starting to be translated into French, even the name of the Google Meet. In order to stop the translation, you can either change it in this box, or if the student has closed the box, click on the translate icon in the address bar, and then they can change the language again, either by choosing from the drop-down or switching it back to English. That's all you need to do. When you're done with it, you can turn off captioning. Please let me know if you or your students have any questions. I am happy to help. Have a great day, and I hope to see everyone again soon.